I'm sure you've heard the news. Fitness obstacles don't stand a chance against us. Many of us hit roadblocks on our fitness journeys, but guess what? We've got the power to overcome them. Lack of time? Try shorter, high-intensity workouts like HIIT, or split your exercise into smaller sessions throughout the day. Struggling with motivation? Remember your goals, the post-workout high, or reflect on how far you've come. Sometimes just starting can reignite that spark. Dealing with physical limitations or injuries? Consult a healthcare provider or fitness pro to craft a safe, effective plan. Low-impact activities like swimming or stationary cycling can be great alternatives. Bored of the same old routine? Spice it up with new classes, outdoor activities, or varying your workout intensity. Changing your environment can make a huge difference too. Remember, every step, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goals. Keep pushing, stay positive, and let's conquer those fitness obstacles together.